Hey guys, welcome back to another fresh video. So we are in Kodaikanal right now and we are leaving for Pondicherry and
Hi, good
my boy
morning.
is doing the packing and look at this amazing view. Oh, we are going to miss this view. And he's doing all the packing so that we can leave now. So my boy is doing the chain, lubing the chain and mounting the panniers. One side it's done and one more is there. We fixed the top box also. Are you done?
No, this is just one part of it. So she's going to get the jackets, and the moment you are in the shade, the cold breeze comes in, and you feel so cold. But if you are in the hot sun, it is no problem. I think the temperature should be around 20, 21, somewhat around like that only. Not this thing, not that cold also. But last night it was very cold. So I'll just show you all this from here. If you can see, we can see a mountain peak, and these are all clouds. It looks so good to look at it from here. That's like more of like a cloud farm. So, and these are all the plantations. So in Kodaikanal they grow coffee, spices and grapes. Grapes are I think more famous. So even in the market if you go, you'll get a lot of grapevine. So let my girl come with the rest of the things and I'll quickly mount them. Mounting everything back on the bike is a lengthy process. It takes a bit of time, but since we are traveling, we'll have to go through it and do it. Meaning I enjoy doing it also, and it should be done properly, or else otherwise, if we go somewhere, the entire thing will fall off, the box will fall off, and then things will break. So better than that, take some extra time and do it properly. So my girl is come with the jackets.
Do you have a jacket?
So the bike is done, meaning it's ready. Everything is mounted well. So here's one pannier. Here's the top box all mounted well, and this is the second one. The front bags also, everything is full now. Meaning we have packed it with the weight or this thing in mind. So every time when you pack, the weight on your left hand side and the right hand side should be similar, or else when you go on straight highways, your bike will obviously automatically come to the right. So because of that, we have to always check the weight and you have to put it. Also, I was just checking my bike, so it got scratches here. It is because of this touches here and it got scratches, and one nut is gone missing out of here. I don't know how that is, but it's fine. We'll manage. Meaning in Pondicherry we look for a shop, Royal Enfield shop, or anyway on the way that if we get, I'll just get that one replaced. So that's one thing. The engine oil and all everything is good. The bike condition is totally fine. I hope we don't get any problems. The brakes and all everything is new. I don't have to worry of anything. Only thing is that I forgot to lube my chain in Kerala, but I've done it here in Tamil Nadu. So from here we are going to Pondicherry today. It's a 7 hours ride, and the time right now is 10:09. So we are right on time. So we'll just go and we'll stop for tea somewhere first. So my girl is here. She's getting ready. Wear the jackets. Let's move. We were just on our way, and this is the main highway that's going to Madurai, and we are having bread omelette and a few other things. So let those things come, and after that I'll show you everything together. Oh no, but I think my girl is extremely hungry, so we'll have this first, and when the other things come, I'll show it to you all. So we have ordered like some sandwiches, some coffees and all. So let that come and then I'll show you. And the temperature here is around like it is okay, normal, maybe 27, 28, normal, and it is not that cold, not that hot also. So it is very pleasant here, and we'll stop here for like another half an hour and then we'll move from here. Here comes our chicken sandwich, and this is veg paneer sandwich. So we wanted to try veg paneer, that's why we got it. Otherwise, we normally don't have veg. So what we'll do is we'll do our love language. That is, we will put one of this in there and that's from here. This is what we do every time. Every time we go to buy a pizza or anything, we do the same thing. So the plan is still on of Pondicherry, and we'll have this and let's see how this tastes. So I'll taste chicken first. Okay, good. That's right, veg.
Paneer. It's not hot.
Chicken is better as compared to veg. And here the filter coffee. So the difference between a filter coffee and normal coffee is that the normal coffee, the instant coffee, is that you directly put the powder and you stir and you drink. Filter coffee is you either use a filter paper or else you use that mocha pot which you get where you steam and condense and all that procedure, and you put brewed roasted coffee beans. So you put a powder of that, and then it filters all the coffee down, and then that is called as filter coffee. So if you go to check, filter coffee tastes way better than a normal coffee, but the thing is, it is only mostly consumed in Tamil Nadu, as far as I know, in South India, Tamil Nadu, because in Kerala also you get it very rarely. Goa though you don't get it only. There's only one place in Kolva where you get, and for that also they are charging way extra. So that's why wherever we come out of India, Goa, we try to have filter coffee.
So if you all know any place in Goa where we'll get a nice filter coffee, you all can suggest in the comment section for us so that we can try.
So we just stopped at a cafe. It's more of like a bakery, and we are having fresh this thing. This is sugarcane juice. So first we'll have one, and if it is tasting good, we'll order one more. And we have Pringles as well. Actually, we had a very heavy breakfast, and that's why we don't have feel like having anything. So that's why we just stopped right besides the highway. This is the main highway that is going to Chennai. Yeah, so that's the plan. We'll leave from here another 10-15 minutes. We have 4 hours, 30 minutes more to go, and approximately we will be reaching at 7 in this thing, Pondicherry. So now this will be more of like a last break, and after that in 2 hours we'll take a small break, and then we'll carry on again. So we'll have this and we'll check how it is. How's the juice?
Fine.
Good.
A few minutes later.
So we are getting ready now. She's wearing the jacket, helmet, and I've removed this winter liner because the weather is very hot. We have come from like 19, 20, 21 degrees back to 30 degrees, and all of a sudden it feels a lot hot as compared to usual. So I'll just put it in the stop box, and then we'll move from here. The ride is going pretty smooth. The highways are really good, and I hope the highways are like this only till Pondicherry. So we have quite a long way to go. So I'll just show you on the map a brief estimate of how it is. So right now we are here. Okay, we are here. Okay, I think that's the wrong thing I'm showing with. So right now we are here, and you see Pondicherry is right here up. Okay, so we are come from somewhere around here, and we have to go all the way. So we still have like 75% of the journey that is left, and 4 hours more, 4.5 hours more to cover up. So we'll do that, and I'll see if we take a stop in between.
2 hours later.
We stopped by to fuel up, and the liter here is 101. So we'll check how much fuel goes. 1040, 1050 maybe. Bus. We have been riding for like 2-3 hours, right? 2-3 hours, and we are extremely tired. You can see the marks of the helmet on my head also, and the helmet sticker just catches the ear a bit. So we thought that we'll take a break, and we are having paneer butter masala and parotas at 5 o'clock. It is 5:14, and we also ordered this is orange juice, and this is Mossambi juice. So we are extremely hungry and extremely tired. We still have another 2.5 2.5 hours more to go, and after that we will take a break. So take a break meaning we will directly reach Pondicherry. So we'll check in a hotel, and then we'll explore today night. So today night will be the French colony and all those other places nearby, and tomorrow will be Auroville. So without wasting time, we'll have this, and we are expected to reach at 7 o'clock, but that is really right now. So 7:30 will reach. So let's go. Finally, we are here in Pondicherry, and we are searching for a room. It's been a much difficult task as we thought. So before that, we said we'll drink a coffee so that our mind is fresh after we reach of all the tiredness, and it was very tiring, especially the last few kilometers. There's so much traffic in Pondicherry right now. You just see. Last time when we came, it was totally empty, but now it's overcrowded, I would say. So we'll check in a hotel and then we'll go to the White Town. I'll show my girl the White Town, and we'll explore this area first. And tomorrow we will be going to Auroville. So I'll have the coffee and then we'll move to our room. We just freshened up and we are come for dinner here. So last time I came to a place I really liked, so I thought that this time I'll get my baby girl here. We are right near the French colony, and this is the beach in front. I'll show you all the beach first and then we'll go for dinner. This is the place where we had ice cream, and this is the restaurant that we need to go to. But before that, I'll just show you all a glimpse of the beach. Here you cannot have bath and all. So these are all rocks. So most of the beaches in Pondicherry are not suitable to have bath. Only there are like quite a few beaches, where there is sand. So I'll show you all that one tomorrow morning maybe if I go over there. But right now I will go to have dinner. We came here, but it is closed. It's 10:40 they closed. A bit of a disappointment. So we'll check for some other things. So we are come to a place called Orange, and they get steaks and all here. So we just checked on Google and we are come. I hope they let us in, because they close at 11:30. That's why. Let's see. We ordered a paneer tikka, and these are honey
prawns.
honey chili prawns. So we'll have them, and I'll meet you all back after that. This table is a bit high. That's why my girl is meant to be sit on this thing, 2 chairs or double ones, because of the level of eating. So the bill has come. We are done with the food. We'll just move towards the beach now. So I'll pay the bill and we'll move further. So we were just roaming, and then we happened to reach the church. This is the Pondicherry church. I'll just wait. I'll turn on night. So now it's way more clear. The doors of the church are open, but I don't think it's open now for people. If tomorrow we reach here early in the morning, so we'll be going to a cafe, and if we get time, we will come to the church, because tomorrow we have to travel quite long. So because of that, I'm saying if we get time, we'll come to the church. So even I wanted to go in. Even last time when I came, I just showed it from here only, but this time I want to go in. And if we happen to pass this side, I'll surely go in. So for now, we'll just take the view from outside. And this side, it's the Pondicherry railway station here.
Just opposite the church.
Yes. So we are come to have ice cream. There was nothing hot. We wanted to have food, but then everything was closed by the time. So we are having rose and coconut ice cream. I finalized that I'll be having pineapple, but my baby girl is looking at what she should have. This is what?
Rose and coconut.
And this one?
Nutella.
Nutella. Okay.
Nutella.
So I took pineapple and she took Nutella, and she got Nutella on hers and I got pineapple on mine. I love pineapple, so I'm happy that I got the pineapple toppings as well. So we'll sit on the beach and we'll have it. How's yours? Good? Show me, I'll taste yours.
Chocolatey. Rich Nutella taste. Really nice.
Good.
But then who will finish it?
But I think it will be too much of sweet for this thing ice cream.
But it's fine.
But pineapple I think is a good option. So let's take one and
Let me also.
extremely good.
Too fruity.
Too fruity? Pineapple will be fruity only.
Yeah, so I don't like fruity. I
Okay.
like chocolatey.
I finished my ice cream. My baby girl is still having hers.
I'm done. It's too sweet for me.
I told her the same thing before starting the ice cream, but then she was, she was smart and she told me, no, nothing will happen. This, that. I had
don't
my
care
fruit-based one, but her Nutella is too much for her. It seems. So
Fine, I like
there
it.
is a drawing going on over there, and he draws sketches of live sketches. So we wanted to do ours, but looks like there's a lot of rush near him. So we'll sit here for maybe 5-10 minutes, and then we'll see if he's free. If he's free, we'll do it. Otherwise, maybe some other time. What do you say?
I want to try.
You wanna try? Even me, but then
I want to try. I want to do it.
okay.
Let's do it.
But then we'll have to wait.
It's fine.
No.
We'll wait for the memory.
Okay, if you say so. Okay, if she says so, we will try waiting and we'll check. Here's the drawing that he is doing. So, we are trying a live drawing. We have seen the results, meaning he does really good drawings. So, we are doing of both of us. So, first she is sitting, and after that, it's going to be my turn. So it's my turn right now, and hers is done. So we are done with the drawings and we are moving now. So I'll just show you all how it will look. What are your views on this? I would say they are more of like 50% accurate. The Joshua looks more of like 75% accurate, but I'm not sure about me. Do tell us in the comment section. What do you have to say?
From this angle, it's not you. Even this is not me, but my
This
eyes.
angle is you.
Yeah, from the side angle, we both look like it is us only. But when you look from this side,
This in no way looks like me.
yeah. But if you look from side,
No,
when he
from
was-
side and wherever
when
it does
he
not
was-
look like me.
When he was drawing, no, so like that time it was looking
In
like
fact, I'm not happy with my drawing, but I said it's fine. Maybe live drawings are like that only. I also don't know how live drawing works,
you.
but
It's fun.
It is fun. It is fun to do once. It is okay to
And
do.
you know the time, it's 2.
Yeah, the time
32
right now is 2:32
a.m.
a.m. and we have to go to a hotel. It's like 30 minutes from here. Not 30, maybe 25 minutes from here. And we are super hungry. So the food also that we wanted we did not get because the restaurants were closed. But we'll see what we get on the way. And if we get anything, we'll directly buy and go. But I think it's that much for today's video. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked it, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Chalo, bye.